Fordyce spots. Fordyce spots, also known as Fordyce glands, are enlarged visible sebaceous glands without hair follicles. Oil glands called sebaceous glands are usually associated with hair follicles. Although these sebaceous glands are present at birth, they are not obvious until puberty. Fordyce spots appear on the skin where no hair is present. They usually develop as isolated or scattered bumps, but sometimes they appear in clusters and form in a symmetrical pattern on the outside lines of both lips. In some rare cases, they are also found on the male and female genitalia. Fordyce spots appear on the glans or shaft or the vulva of the female. They are also called Fordyce granules or ectopic sebaceous glands. Sometimes they can be seen on the inside of the lips and the cheeks. They affect both males and females of all ages, and the incidence increases with age. Sometimes Fordyce spots cause anxiety, but they are completely harmless whether on the lips or on the genitals. They are not a sexually transmitted disease and they are not infectious. They are present in 70 to 80% of the adult population. Risk factors. Exact cause is unknown. They can be linked to different skin types and other illnesses. Fordyce spots can appear at any point in life, but the incidence of appearance increases with age, with the largest prevalence in elderly patients. Fordyce spots are twice as common in men than women. Individuals with oily skin have an increased incidence of Fordyce spots. Some sources report that Fordyce spots in the mouth might be associated with hyperlipidemia. This condition involves elevated levels of fats in the blood. Symptoms. Fordyce spots are small, painless, rice-like granules or spots, white or yellow-white in color, that are between 1 to 3 millimeters in diameter. The most common location for Fordyce spots is at the border of the lips, especially near the corners of the mouth. They can appear alone or in clusters of 50 to 100 spots. They become more obvious when the skin is stretched. They aren't painful or itchy, but in some cases they may bleed during or after intercourse. Fordyce spots are not infectious and cannot be transferred from one person to another. On the shaft of the penis, Fordyce spots are more visible when the skin is stretched and may only be noticeable during an erection. The spots can also appear on the skin of the scrotum. Some men with Fordyce spots may wonder whether they have a sexually transmitted infection or a type of cancer, but these are often shown to be harmless. These lesions are asymptomatic, but itching or irritation may occur if people treat the bumps inappropriately. Popping or squeezing Fordyce spots is not advisable. They don't vanish by doing so and in fact may cause an infection. Diagnosis. Your doctor can likely diagnose Fordyce spots by their appearance alone. In some cases, they might perform a biopsy. In this procedure, they remove a sample of tissue from the affected area to examine under a microscope. If you have Fordyce spots on your lips and you are unhappy about the way they look, talk to your doctor. They might refer you to a specialist for treatment to remove or lessen the appearance of the spots. Fordyce spots are completely benign, harmless, and require no treatment unless the individual has cosmetic concerns. Although these lesions are benign, they should be examined by a physician for an accurate diagnosis. If there are spots present on your genitalia, consult a doctor. They may not necessarily be Fordyce spots, they could be symptomatic of an sexually transmitted disease. STDs need to be treated appropriately with medication. Treatment. Topical applications. To remove or shrink Fordyce spots, doctor may prescribe topical tretinoin or oral isotretinoin. Sometimes he may recommend combining these topical treatments with laser treatments. They may produce side effects such as inflammation, burning sensation, and the risk of scarring, and further complications should always be considered. Micropunch surgery. Your doctor may use micropunch surgery to rapidly and effectively remove multiple spots from your face or genital area. A device similar to a pen is used to remove the spots. They apply a local anesthetic before performing the procedure to reduce the pain. For eye spots generally fade in time without treatment. The important thing is to realize they are normal. They are not a disease. The majority of people have them. Many people may suffer from anxiety and depression due to the unsightly appearance of the spots. Spots on the lips can affect people emotionally. Those with severe symptoms on their genitals may be embarrassed or concerned about what their sexual partners might think. In some cases, the spots may bleed during intercourse. However, there are no known physical complications of eye spots. Thank you.